Lee and Susie, over in our tasting table here, our customers for the show. Are you thirsty? Would you like a lemonade?
Always,
we were just saying that.
Well, let me make one for you. Right,
Okay,
what should we do?
There we go. What we're going to do is put our lemons in. Now, these are just been cut up into quarters. They pop in there.
Yeah.
Got some sugar. Don't look how much I'm putting in.
Just
Okay. Water.
This is easy.
And I put some ice cubes in as well.
Yeah.
And then we're just going to put that on. And
which
I'm going to start on gentle.
the-
Now, this is your on switch here. Can you see it all lights up? That's your ice crush, that's your manual pulse, and that's your auto pulse. Auto pulse I'm going to use for the soup. Now, that will pulse 10 times and it automatically stops.
OK.
So you can go off and do what you have to do in the kitchen and leave it there. So it's your kitchen assistant. Then you've got 4 speeds. I'm just going to run this on first speed. I don't have to hold that down.
Sturdy.
Because if you look, it's triple sealed.
Yeah.
So nice and warm. Nice and simple. Now I've got to take it up a little bit. Let's go up to. Let's just switch it off. Let's go up to 4.
Look at that, creamy.
How that works.
Lovely.
And switch off. Now auto pulse. You see
Yeah.
what it's doing?
Oh, it's that slow pulse.
Pulse.
Yep.
And it holds 2 litres of liquid using auto pulse. Now I'm going to get you to just. If you hold on to the sieve, I'll pour.
And then this is going to be lemonade. So, right, Pauline's
This is lemonade.
pouring, and then
I'd
I'm
like
going to
to show
finish the
you
drink. So,
how well it crushes. You just got a little spoon there.
look
I'm
at
trying
this.
to splash you.
No, do not worry. It smells lovely, and
Now, if you just
can't
move
beat
that
fresh
around.
lemon. I'll stir. You pour it. There we are.
I'll just pour a little bit in
Look
because we've got
at
some that
this.
I've made already in there.
And there's nothing, you know, it's about getting the freshness of fresh fruit, fresh vegetables as well. Do you know, I was also, do you know, quarter of the stock is gone. Am I good to pour?
Yes, I'll just take that away.
I love
just
that
want
smell,
to show you.
Pauline, that fresh lemon.
And you can put this in the garden.
That's sensational. In the compost, I like
Before you
that.
pour into there,
Go on.
I've got a little job for you. Little cocktails, little highball cocktails. Now,
Do you know, oh my goodness, my
If you-
producer just said the
this-
clock's change on Sunday.
this
isn't
is
it?
what you've
We're
got to
getting to
do.
spring. Right,
so just put a bit of lemon
Yep.
around the edge.
and then I'm going to do a bit of the
And we've got some sherbet. This is great for kids. So this is sherbet.
sherbet. Because I have imagination you've got a sweet tooth.
Just dip it in. That's it.
There we go. I just could imagine you having a dip sherbet. Because it's also...
Sherbet dipped out.
Yeah, I love that. Right, there we go.
Right, and then you're
I'm
going to pour in some lemonade.
We've
Straight
got
from there. And then
Yeah.
this is your... Here.
There we go. Oh, my
And
goodness.
someone suggested a cocktail earlier.
Lee? Was that Lee suggesting a
A
cocktail?
little bit of vodka in there. A little bit of vodka in there. And that can then go as a nice little cocktail. But what we can do first is just put some ice in.
Oh, I might have to try a bit of that, Pauline. Right, do you know what? I'm thinking... Look at you two with your Turkish delights and you're clapping. I love it.
We got very
Right.
excited when you said the word cocktail.
Yeah, I know. I
Susie
thought,
was beside herself.
More excited than a
Cheers.
sherbet.
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought you might have a sweet tooth and like sherbety things.
Oh, wow.
What's it like, verdict?
We were talking about blending fruit with the rind, and I've
Yeah.
never had... You've done it, haven't you? I've never had the confidence to do it, so
no, me neither.
I've always thought this would be too citrusy.
Yeah, sour.
It's absolutely beautiful.
Delicious.
It's good, isn't it?
And you can use the rind, make it...
So, Susie...
I make it, put it into lemon cake. So there's
Oh,
no
I
waste.
love this. Home hacks coming already.